Okay, this is a new song called Keeping Us Alive, and it was called Eating Us Alive. We thought it was a little bit cannibally. That's not a word, is it?
And it just makes us think about cheese toasties even more than ever.
And to be honest, because we've got Simon filming, we've never been more self-conscious in our whole lives. I am joking, by the way, Simon, but it has really hindered my cheese toasty intake.
Which
so
is
thank
good,
you.
we owe you. Trying to put on £10 apparently.
You've really saved us from major ass expansion, so thank you, Simon. And I also really consider whether to pop that spot before coming on stage, and I always now think, Abby, no, don't. What we haven't considered is that that was also filmed.
There must be effects these days that can
Yeah.
Could you, Sam's like, blur that out and put something blurry and... Yeah, okay. No, we don't really care. Not that good.
We're proud. No, we're proud.
What have you done today? Okay.
Okay,
Wait.
this is cool.
The cheese toast it's made me thirsty. We fully recommend the Costa ones over Starbucks as well, in case you were wondering. Although Starbucks, you get to make up your name, don't you? And that's always fun. But you don't think quick enough. So, like, recently I was like, Genevieve. And it was like, oh, I'm not Genevieve.
That's a good one.
Do you think?
Yeah, mine was like Sarah. Oh, that's not bad.
Didn't you say Tegan recently? I was like, oh, it's a bit out there. Okay, enough of that.
Whilst all of our mates are having babies and settling down, we're just doing that in Costa.
Yeah, we're just hanging out at the services.
Mature.
Getting really excited when there's like an extra section that sells stationery in WH Smith. That's a good day.
Sam, look what you were going to miss out on. And this bit.
Yeah.
This bit's fun.
We wanted everything to come our way by this very day. We wanted stars so bright to see the lightning before it strikes. Though we passed 100,000 miles, still I stand, still I stand. Photographs of 20 months ago, I know we can, still think we can. Here I am, here I will stand. So hungry my heart, bewildered my eyes, I'm tumbling down, and it's eating me alive, it's eating me alive. We crave the crying out, the silent screams amongst the loud. Chew through the ropes and hope that we don't choke on the words we spoke. A cunning plan to blind the world outside. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Break ourselves and taste the urge to rage and fight with fire. We fight with fire. Cry it out, cry it out, I will shout. I'm being consumed, the thoughts overflow, my mind overgrown, and it's eating me alive, it's eating me alive. The taste of bittersweet keeps us on our feet. Polishing to see, I long to push it down, feet on the ground with our head in clouds. Dreams confined to draw between the lines. We learn of life, we learn of life. They will wait and we will still berate. We should have learned, still time to learn. Listen now, listen now, calling out. I write it all down, the letters all torn, deep devotion still sworn, and it's keeping me alive. It's keeping me alive. Come through the soul.